So there's a lot of talk. I hear a lot of talk. I'm not in the materials business, I'm in the equipment business. I do hear a lot of talk about specialty solder paste, particularly these days. Low temperature solder paste, low voiding solder paste, high reliability solder paste. And the high reliability one gets me because I assume all solder pastes are kind of high reliability. So it makes me wonder, I don't think you'd ever sell anything and label it low reliability, right? But there's solder paste and the high reliability solder paste, low temperature, low voiding. Begin with the so-called high reliability solder paste. What are the differences between a regular, off-the-shelf SAC 305 and something kind of billed as or marketed as a higher reliability paste? What are the differences in the paste and what applications would you see that paste going into?
Sure. So we define high reliability applications as those that the end product in harsh environment. And so I guess the question is then, what is a harsh environment? And that is dictated by the end user, but we believe that high reliability products are mostly used in aerospace, military, and avionic applications. So those applications are pushing requirements beyond just day-to-day usage. So it's not like your computer remote that you use every day. It's something that's going to go into atmospheres that are atypical. So wide temperature ranges, different air humidities, and different mechanical requirements are what make high reliability products different than normal ones. So some testing that you do to products to ensure that they will be able to endure these harsh environments are thermal cycling tests, thermal shock tests, stress strain tests to look at the mechanical reliability of the joint, and also SIR testing in different humidity and temperature settings. So it has both to do with the paste chemistry, so that you're preventing dendritic growth in those extreme environments, and also the alloy characteristics, so that if the product's vibrating or it's being dropped or changing environments very rapidly, that it will maintain the quality of the solder joint. So really, high reliability is just pushing products to their endpoints, really.
Join us on the second and fourth Tuesday of each month for new episodes of Reliability Matters.